Hi everyone! Have you ever wondered how to choose the wheel spacer size for your vehicle? Choosing the wheel spacer size depends on your driving style, your car's modification and goals. When choosing wheel spacers, size is a key factor. From racing track day to daily commuter comfort, there are many choices of wheel spacer fitment.
Most car owners who choose to install wide body kits use wheel spacer to bring a more aggressive and flush look to the vehicle. If you plan to purchase a set of wide body wheel spacers, you should know how to choose good spacers and which thickness will not scratch a fender when you install the BMW M4 body kit on your BMW 4 Series. If the clearance issue only occurs on the front wheels, then you can put wheel spacers on the front only. To measure the wheel spacer size that you need, you can use a metal ruler and place a straight edge on the outside of the rims to the fender to measure. This is the thickness of the spacers required to flush the fender. By correcting the offsets, the wheel spacer will solve most potential friction problems and allow you to install larger brake calipers to upgrade the handling performance of the car.
If you need 1-inch to 2-inch wheel spacers, BONOSS Sport active cooling wheel spacers are more suitable. These wheel spacers come with heat dissipation grooves. The heat dissipation grooves are carved behind the spacers, rotating. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system.
Choose a product with warranty service. BONOSS provides 10-year warranty service can also make you more at ease.
No matter which spacer size you choose, choosing the right thickness is critical to ensure your safety. If you have any questions about wheel spacer selections, leave your comments and contact us. Click the subscribe button for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.